Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ashadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Allahumma sholli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Rabbi fili wali walidayya warhamhuma kama rabbani shaghira. Rabbi sholli sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I need an energy. Can you answer me with more energy? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody. Alhamdulillah, you're answering with a very energetic voice, I think. How are you today? Alhamdulillah. Do you still remember if I ask you, what time did you wake up this morning? What time did you wake up this morning from your sleep? Did you wake up at 5 or did you wake up at 7? Yes, Dino. Assalamualaikum, Mr. Dino.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, fine, thank you. Okay. What time did you wake up this morning?
5.
5, Alhamdulillah. So you did your salat subuh?
Yes.
Yes. Good job. Okay. Mr. Rio, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. What time did you wake up this morning?
8.
8? 8 o'clock. Wow. Did you do salat subuh?
Yes.
Okay, what time was it?
5.
5 o'clock. Okay, thank you for answering. Okay, so now for this group, since we have 2 different levels, so level 1, I would like to review about the nouns. So for big group later on, they will do something else. Okay, who remember what is a noun? Anyone? Use the mic. Nouns. What is a noun?
Kata benda.
Kata benda. Very good. Do you still remember? Nouns are divided into 4. Do you still remember?
People.
Yes. People.
Verb.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Verb.
Oh no, people. You still have the book.
Animal.
Alhamdulillah.
Animal.
Yeah? Yes, people, animal,
Place.
place,
Thing.
place, things. Very good. Things.
Things.
Alhamdulillah. Can you all give a big applause for Mr. Rio? Yay! Alhamdulillah. So, good job. Now, can you tell me kucing bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Anybody knows? Yes, Bagas? Cat. Masya Allah, give a big applause for Bagas. Yes, Bagas. Alhamdulillah. Woohoo. Okay, Bagas, good job. Cat. What else? Animals. Can anyone give me the name of the animal?
Elephant.
Elephants. Very good. Elephant. Give a big applause for Rizky. Elephant. Very good. What else? Now, can you tell me the name of a place? Name of a place. Alfred.
House.
House. Very good. Give a big applause for Mr. Alfred. Alphard is the name of a car. Sekarang kita bikin game saja, okay? Now, we have 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, according to the line. Line number 1, number 2, number 3. When I say the name of the noun, then you have to tell me what is it in bahasa. Ready? And you need to say which group. People, animal, places, or things. Okay, ready? Already? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hippo. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. 5. Is it animal, people, places, or things? Hippopotamus. All right. So now.
Animal.
Animal. Give a big applause for Ridwan. Animal. Yes. Okay. Question number 2. Ready? Cinema. Cinema.
Place.
A place. Very good. Give a big applause. Yes. Woohoo. This classroom, I love this classroom. Very good. What is cinema in bahasa Indonesia?
Bioskop.
Yes, good job. Woohoo. Tambah nilainya jadi 20. Amazing, fantastic, wonderful, excellent. Okay, the next one, please. Forest. 5, 4, 3. Okay, yes, forest.
Place.
Give a big applause for place, yes. What is the meaning of forest? Forest.
Hutan.
Yes, give a big applause. Yes. Next, please. Question number. What number was it? It's already 3. Okay, next one. Nurse. What is a nurse? A nurse is a person who works in the hospital. Nurse. 5. Yes.
People.
Yes, give a big applause for people. What is in bahasa for nurse? Anyone? Nurse. Nurse?
Suster.
Yes, sister. Give a big applause. Fantastic. Excellent. Well done. Okie dokie. Next, please. Giraffe. Yes.
Animal.
Yes, animal. Give a big applause. What is in bahasa for that? Giraffe means?
Jerapah.
Yes, give a big applause. Giraffe is jerapah. Fantastic. Excellent. The next one. Next game is you make a sentence. Bikin kalimat. Ya. Bikin kalimat dengan nouns. Nounsnya akan Miss kasih. I will give you the nouns and you make the sentence. Sample. Group 2 will give the sample. I will give you the word. Wait, I'll give you the word. Pizza. Make a sentence with the word pizza.
I like to eat pizza.
I like to eat pizza. Me too. Let's buy the pizza. Ask Bunda ya. Okay, now make a sentence ya. Apple.
I want to apple.
I want to apple. One word is missing. The most important word is missing. I
want to.
I want to
Eat apple.
Excellent. Give a big applause. Fantastic. I want to eat apple. Okay, the other group. The other group, please. Jangan cuma tepuk tangan. Kali ini kalian harus menjawab. Okay, the next one is mountain. Next group. Ayo. Mr. Adit, Mr. Ajis, Mr. Dino, semua Mr. come on. Mountain. Ayo. Reski.
I like mountain.
You like mountain. Okay, that can also work. Give a big applause. Wow. Next group, I think you need to do this. This group. Okay, group number 1 has been giving answer. So group number 2 and number 3, this is all for you. Okay, 2 and 3. Make a sentence with the word swimming. Yes.
I want to swimming.
I want to swimming. Okay. Sekarang kalau if you want to use swim, that's okay. I want to swim. That's already good. But if you swimming, I want to go swimming. Boleh. Okay. This group. Drive. Wait. I'm gonna ask this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Your group?
I can
Yes, I can.
drive.
I can drive a car. Give a big applause. That's a very complete sentence. I can drive a car. Fantastic. Next, please. Cook. Cook. Okay. Cook. Yes.
I will cook.
Yes. What will you cook? I will cook dinner, breakfast, or lunch.
Dinner.
I will cook dinner. Fantastic. Give a big applause. Yes. Go. Saya rasa waktunya sudah cukup sekian. Ini kayaknya kelompok 2, kelompok 1 sedang mendapatkan rezeki dari Allah karena kalian Masya Allah menghabiskan waktu hanya untuk kalian sendiri. Masya Allah, sampaikan kata Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Nah, Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay everyone, so I'm so happy today that you did a wonderful job. Give a big applause for everyone. Yes. So, are you ready for the next class? Yes? Okay, so next class we are going to have another game, and now let's all say Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. So thank you so much for your participation in our English class today, and inshallah we'll see you again next week in the same time in the same place. So Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.